Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 65. This SolidWorks 2020 video tutorial is for my beginners friends. In today's SolidWorks video tutorial, I will teach you part modeling. Hope you will stay connected with us and continue learning SolidWorks modeling. Today I will teach you the use of various SolidWorks tools like line command, rectangle command, smart dimension, extrude command, circle command, and extrude cut command. We will use two sketches, one extrude and one extrude cut command for completing this SolidWorks 2020 tutorial. First, we gonna sketch the top view, and extrude. Then we will do another sketch and extrude cut for completing today's part. Hope you will enjoy and stay with us throughout the tutorial and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Now we will draw the top view of the part. Right-click on the top plane and select Sketch. Now we will draw the circle.
Now take Circle command.
Diameter is 20 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 20 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take the line command.
Distance is 70 millimeters. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 20 millimeters. Distance is 10 millimeters. Distance is 40 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Now take Trim Entities command. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Height is 50 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now we will sketch the front view of the part. Left-click on front plane and choose Sketch.
Now take Circle command.
Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship. Make them tangent. Make them tangent. Diameter is 20 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK. The sketch is fully defined. Now take the line command. Now take Trim Entities command. Press OK.
Now take Corner Rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Height is 30 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 10 millimeters. Distance is 40 millimeters.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
From featured menu select Extrude Cut command. Select these areas for extrude cut. Select midpoint.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select Isometric view.
Congratulations.
This is the part which we were trying to build. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.